Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Because I'm doing so great here. We are still in the festive season, so we have all cause to be happy. You see your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, please subscribe. And if you have been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking and keep sharing my videos. So today in my kitchen, we are preparing this yummy coconut jollof rice. On the table, I have what it takes to prepare this our coconut rice. In the pot here, I have my chicken. I've already marinated the chicken for the past 5 hours. I used chicken powder, curry powder. I used bouillon cube, rosemary, thyme, then some Cameroon dry pepper to marinate this chicken. But I will still add some salt and bouillon cube to boil it. Then I have my chopped onions here. This is my tomatoes, pepper, ginger, garlic and onions. I already washed them thoroughly, blended them, and I boiled it. That is why it is looking this way. I have my tomato paste here. I have my rice that is soaked in water. I'm going to be soaking it for like 10 minutes before I wash it. Then I have my prepared coconut milk. I did this coconut milk myself, but you can use the coconut milk that you buy in the superstore. This is my tomato paste. I have my curry powder here, mixed spice here and chicken spice here. I have my sweet corn for garnishing. Then I have my bouillon chicken cube, tomatoes for garnishing, and then salt. So what I'll do now, I'll just take in some salt and add here, though I already added salt before. Then I'll take two bouillon cubes, add it, and put it on the fire to boil. I will allow it to boil with the juice first before I now add the water for it to boil, so that all the ingredients will really enter inside this chicken to the bone very well. So now I'm going to on the gas and put it on the fire. So the heat is on now and the chicken is boiling. After some time, it will start bringing out its juice to start boiling. So I'll cover the pot now while I go and wash. This is our coconut milk. Then I'll add some of the chicken stock. You know, rice doesn't really need so much water to boil. It is the steam that it uses to boil. So I'll taste for seasoning and salt to know if I'll add more before I cover the pot. Or just add some more salt. Every other thing is just okay. So I'll cover the pot for it to boil with high heat. Then later I'll come and reduce the heat and now use foil paper to trap in the air for it to cook very well. So guys, after the initial water I put boiled down, I had to come and use foil paper to cover the pot to trap in all the air so that the rice can use the steam to cook. Then I now lower the heat. So now I've come to check if it is dried and if it is cooked. See what we have here. Yeah, you can see. Let me feel it. Okay, the rice is cooked now. So I'll add in some onions for garnishing. I'll add in the tomatoes too for garnishing. Then some sweet corn, all for garnishing. Then I'll stir the rice together. You can see the coconut oil is bringing out oil from the side of the pot. And boy, this is our coconut jollof rice. If you are here to like this video, please like, keep sharing and keep watching. It's almost getting burnt, but it's not burnt. So this is what we have here, our coconut jollof rice. So I'll just cover it for like a minute so that the tomatoes and the onions can get cooked a bit. So guys, this is what we have. Our coconut jollof rice is cooked. The aroma in the kitchen is something else. So yummy. Even without eating it, looking at it alone, it's so yummy. And the sweet corn and the tomatoes now gave it another color. So we are good to go. I'll turn off the heat now, and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.